Today we're going to learn how to find out where a domain name is registered. So let's get started. The first step is going to be to navigate to lookup.icann.org. Another way that you can find this is a simple Google search of where is this domain registered. So we may come across cases in which a client we're building a website for isn't sure where their domain is registered. It could have been registered by a family member, a past coworker, themselves in an old email. So taking this step and finding where that domain is registered can help us to get this information so that we can build our client's website and not worry about chasing down the registrar. So once we're on the ICANN Lookup website, we can type in any domain here. Make sure that you strip your domain of like HTTP or HTTPS. Just type the domain name, website.com, website.net into the search bar. So let's try one. So after I click lookup, it's going to give me some information about the domain, the DNS records. What we want to find is the section labeled registrar information. So here in this section, I can see that this domain is registered at Namecheap. In this case, if I'm building this website for somebody who owns their domain on Namecheap, I can ask them directly to send over their Namecheap domain registrar access. So this saves us a step of asking where your domain is registered. We already know, and we can ask for that platform login directly. So in this case, we were able to quickly see that this domain is registered at Namecheap. That was great. It took us 10 seconds. In some cases, you may find that the domain name registrar is not explicitly listed. And I'm going to show you an example of that and what to do if we come across this. So on this domain name, when I go down to the registrar information, I'm not seeing Namecheap, GoDaddy. I'm seeing an IANAID. So I need to find out what registrar this is. I'll then go on over to Google and just copy and paste that IANAID, and it's 291. So let's remember that. We'll find this website, and you can save this also, iana.org. It's also easy to find on Google. And this is going to give us a list of all the registrars and their associated IDs. So in this case, we had 291. And I can see that this domain is registered at a DNC Holdings, Inc. So this gives us those clues of where that domain's registered. It can save us some steps on asking for that information from our clients, and overall just gives us a better understanding of our client's current website infrastructure. Thanks for watching, and go find some registrars.